We're here with Milky and Emma, and today we're going to be doing an exciting activity that I saw online, and I want to see if it works. So I'm going to show you guys what the activity is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And Emma has no idea what it is.
No.
So
And I got this from Saturday school.
Aww, so
But I
cute.
didn't buy the clothes from Saturday school. This is my bear's clothes.
Alright, so the sun is out today. It's been rainy the past few days, so today's a perfect day to try this activity. So we're gonna go outside because the sun is outside today. Alright guys, so I have the box here for our activity and we're gonna go outside and try it. Emma still has no idea what it is. Do you want to take a guess?
A balloon?
Bruh.
Okay, that's a good guess, but it's not a balloon. Alright, so we're outside and I have the box here for our activity and this is what we're going to be doing today. Ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes. I'm going to surprise you.
No.
Ready? Ta-da!
Oh, that's for the only pool.
It's a baby pool.
It's not baby.
Ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
You're going to swim in this baby pool?
That's so
Do you guys think Emma would fit in here?
No. No, not fit in there.
No.
Yes, I will.
So we're gonna go inflate this pool. And what do you think we're gonna use it for?
Okay.
What are we gonna do with this?
Swim in it.
Nope.
We're going to jump in it.
So we're gonna inflate this pool, which is a baby pool.
I'm not a big. Well.
And then we got some exercise hoop.
Only exercise.
So this is a kid's exercise hoop. So we got these that come with the different pieces, so it's adjustable to how big or how small you want it. So this is a detachable design.
I need bigger.
So we got a baby pool,
and a
kids hoop. We got a second set of kids hoops. So these are the pieces and how it looks, and we're gonna put them together and make a hula hoop. And what do you think we're gonna do with this and this? The pool and the hula hoop.
We're gonna connect it.
And we're gonna do
Stop.
bubbles. So this is a bubble wand kit, but it's the one that comes with the little sticks and the rope. So you dip it into like a pool of soap and it's supposed to make giant bubbles like this. So we're gonna make giant bubbles today.
And my Milky is sleeping.
And we're gonna make giant bubbles with a hula hoop and a pool, and we're gonna see if it works, because I don't know if it does. Do you think it works?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
So let's see if it works, and let's inflate this pool and connect these hula hoops together. Okay, should we do the pool first?
Yeah, the pool first and then.
I don't have a knife. Look.
That's way too small. This is way too small for me. Mom, this is too small.
Okay, we need to blow this up. How am I gonna blow this?
This blows air.
A few moments later.
Just kidding, I did not just blow that up myself. We actually had to use the our vacuum to blow it up.
Yeah.
So we're ready to go.
Okay, let's go put water.
So we're gonna put water and soap in here,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna put bubble solution, and then we're gonna put the hula hoops in here and see if it makes bubbles.
So I'm gonna go in.
Let's make the hula hoop.
We kind of need to build it. So Yeah, baby. Go, 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 go. Let's see.
Bruh.
What are you singing?
I'm singing Viva Viva. Do you just throw away the instructions?
Do you get the instructions?
I think they're going to something. No,
Oh look, it's smaller now.
can't fit it.
We're trying to make it small so I can fit.
Oh, fits! Yay! It fits! Ouch! Now we put the hoops in here and it fits. Now we're gonna put the soap in it.
So these are the Hoolas.
The hula, 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 hula. Yeah, maybe.
Let's see if you can hula. Oh, almost. Almost, Emma. 1, 2, 3. Hula, 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 hula.
Hula, 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 hula. What is like one of these called it? These are the both things we're gonna put in there. These are these macaroni. And subscribe, please. The water.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we tried different methods of bubbles. So we used the hula hoop, we used our actual large bubble wands that we have bought before that we already had, like our handheld one, and then we also tried the string bubble wand. And so it wasn't too successful for us, like we weren't able to do a lot of bubbles, but I think it comes down to the bubble solution. So make sure you pay attention to the bubble solution that you do get. Try to get a concentrated bubble solution and make sure that you follow the directions on how much water to mix it with. We didn't. We kind of just put water in the mini pool and then dumped the concentrated solution, and then that didn't work. And we just kind of started adding a bunch of different bubble soap that we already had like different bottles of bubble soap, so we weren't able to get like an exact good consistency with the bubble solution. But I think if you are able to, then you would be able to make the giant bubbles that we were trying to make. But I'll link all the products that we use down in the description, so if any of you guys want to try this out for yourself and see if you're able to get giant bubbles, let me know in the comments if you are able to, but I'll link the products down below for you guys. But anywho, yeah, thanks for watching this video. It was so much fun to make, and it's just such a fun activity to do outside with your kids or just yourself. It's such a beautiful sunny day out, so it was like the perfect activity. So thank you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos and shenanigans that we come up with. But yeah, thank you guys.